Shubor naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri rang ba kajela Conrad sama hasngi ba ar ulong bagalong ka bomdei Jingpyrshah ya Jingtyrwa Khlem dadan ka Jingthmu ya Jingmot jongka habakren halor ka Jingmi Jingpyrshah na ki babon halor ka Jingthmu ka sarkar ban pendrung ya ki an ki basriem ba LP ha Jingtyrwa ya ki Immigration and Foreigners Act araja arpusan habakren shikilat patai kubor menteri rang ba ulong bakamat bakongsan kalong na kabenta ka Jingwan buhaishnong be an ki brio banabar Om ka ILP ne ke MRSSA bar ulaban jurek jiron kam yaki an ki batri kam banweng yakini gichinge Conrad ulaong baka sarkar ka pli ka lat bandan gichinge kran bat ban mir jimut bat ki seng san perthei bandan gichinge smooth ho jingmut halor ka jingkam unong yalam kalyang persha u Dr Mukul sama ba ompat pen kala yak MRSSA menteri ramba ulaong be kani ka an nadab ban pentrei kam hakikatu kani kijaka hendai ka shamjing e anamar ka jingruna hagi jingtei bar ka jingbom yahap hapdeng ka an bar ki kindan jongka ulong ru bagi Jingpyrshah menshwa ban pen kala yakni ka an kila sakut bar ka sarkar menta kadang wat ki kindan ki bede bagi jingwan bu haishnong ban weng yakni ki jingruna lingba ka jingbeteng ban mir jingmut bat ki badan benta baro
it would be incorrect for us to jump to any conclusion without actually seeing the content and the entire mechanism of how we would move forward in this. So it's quite strange to see that without even knowing what is going to be put in there, or what you just simply say, oh, we oppose it because the government of Meghalaya is proposing it, and we are opposition, so we'll oppose everything the government said with which we can work or which we should work with. We should be working towards resolving the problem and playing a constructive role as an opposition. Now, having said that, what is our issue? Our issue is the illegal immigration. Issue is not ILP. Issue is not Immigration Act. Issue is not MRSSA. I keep repeating our issue is illegal immigration. And therefore, we need laws. We need mechanisms to check it. And I think the focus of political parties and organizations should be towards achieving that. And therefore, we are not saying that what we propose is going to be right. We could be wrong, or we would be missing out something. That's fine, that's fair. But I guess we can only reach that conclusion if we are able to have a dialogue and if we talk to each other. And therefore what Deputy CM had said that time was something that we are intending to do. We're trying to work towards it. We're trying to move forward and see and explore whether that is a possibility. Because when you try to do one part, then government of Phylla will say, well, this is possible, but this is not. If we try to do something else, and the public says, well, we don't accept this one. So we're trying to find a balance and a way in which we are able to get Government of India also on board, and we're able to get the public also and the organization, civil society on board, and achieve the final goal of being able to have a system and a mechanism in place to check illegal immigration. And I think that is really what the objective is. So therefore, you may say this, but if I would ask you the question, which particular clause or which particular part of this proposal are they objecting? There's no answer because there is no written proposal yet. So therefore, even to oppose, one has to understand what are you opposing. So what is the mechanism? So we need to discuss this. So we will be, of course, calling political parties, we'll be calling organizations to discuss this issue. And obviously only after getting a full clarity on everything and explaining to everybody how we plan to go forward with this and getting a sense of consensus from everybody, then only we'll try to move forward. But we've just started exploring. So before even exploring, you're just simply saying no to it. I think it's like really not how a political party and leadership and how organizations should to perceive things. We need to discuss dialogue. After understanding, if they find that there is something that we don't agree to, we'll try to find out ways to mend it or amend it or bring in new aspects. So all this requires dialogue. All we are saying right now, and what Deputy CM was saying that time, is that there is another option. Let's explore it. Let us see if it could serve the purpose of having a restriction and to illegal immigration and having checking and mechanisms to look at all those aspects. So that's what really the intent was.